I like borscht very much. It's one of the most popular Ukrainian dishes. How to cook borscht? I'm gonna to tell it.
Ingredients we need for cooking. We will need meat, beans, spices, cabbage, potatoes, and of course beets. First of all, let's take a piece of meat and put it in water. Before meat starts boiling, we need to remove the foam from water surface. It's important. When we have removed the foam, we need to throw in the beans, mix well, and cover with a lid. When the borscht boils, we need to reduce the heat. Now we need to add the potatoes in the borscht. 10 minutes have passed. I add cabbage and mix well. I'm waiting for 6 minutes. Now I need to add the beets to the borscht. Mix and wait 7 minutes. I throw spices and parsley into the borscht and wait 5 minutes until it's ready. Our borscht is ready. It smells so delicious. Thanks for your attention.